Good afternoon, you're watching Forex TV.
With me, Anna Kasatkina.
And me, Olga Vitkovskaya.
This is a review of Forex and stock markets for the last week.
How did the major trend look like during the previous week, Anna?
The American dollar grew versus the Japanese yen on Friday.
What caused the advance?
Mainly the expectations of the further monetary policy mitigation by the Bank of Japan. The US dollar increased to the level of 82.44 yen from the mark of 82.1 yen hit on Thursday. During the trading session on Friday, the greenback reached April highs. Monthly, the currency added 3.3% in November, which is the most significant monthly growth since February 2012. Since January 2012, the US dollar appreciated by 7.2% against the yen. Meanwhile, the euro strengthened to 107.27 yen, which is the maximum since April. On Thursday, it cost 106.47 yen and monthly gained 3.7% in November. The Japan's government approved the second pack of economic stimulus measures that will be implemented approximately in a month. Moreover, the industrial production in Japan climbed unexpectedly in October after a sharp ease a month before. At the same time, the index of the American dollar ICE slid to 80.131 points from the Thursday close of 80.19 points. Weekly, the index has merely changed. Monthly, the indicator's increment amounted to 0.3%, and since January, the index remained unaltered. On Thursday evening, the American stock exchange market was pressurized, which actually sustained the US dollar rate, as the Speaker of the House of Representatives in the Congress of the USA, John Boehner, stated that hardly any progress has been reached with regard to the measures against the fiscal cliff. At the same time, the euro overcame the mark of $1.3 after the German Member of Parliament, coinciding with the predictions, approved the aid pack for Greece, which had been negotiated earlier in Brussels. On Friday, the euro cost $1.30.09 after the close of Thursday at $1.29.77. The euro advanced by 0.3% weekly, having ascended by 0.4% on the monthly basis. That's all I have today about the Forex market trends.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome, Olga. What happened on the stock markets?
At New York Stock Exchange, we observed a mixed dynamics on Friday.
What sentiment prevailed on the markets?
Actually, there were no positive news, as it became known that discussions of the fiscal cliff threat had brought no results. Moreover, the consumer spending data did not confirm the predictions. The shares of Groupon website lost 9% on Friday after the information that the head of the company, Andrew Mason, would not leave his position in the company. Thus, weekly, the shares grew by 5%. Lately, Groupon was very often audited by financial and other regulators. In addition, the company's placement on the stock market in November 2011 also had a negative effect. Since that time, the shares of Groupon lost about 80%. Aside from that, the shares of Microsoft declined by 1.24% on Friday. The investors' attention is currently grabbed by a new version of the tablet computer Surface Pro, which is released in January 2013. Last week, the computer giant announced the price of the new device, which is higher than the price of similar products by the rival of Microsoft, Apple. Thus, the simpler Surface Pro will cost $899 and the most advanced one will be sold at $999 US. That's all I have about the major events on the stock market.
Thank you, Olga.
You're welcome, Anna.
You were watching the weekly analysis of Forex and stock market prepared to you by TV team
with Olga Vitkovskaya
and Anna Kasatkina.
Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.